We will study different wave phenomena using this set of microwave transmitter and receiver. The receiver is connected to a loudspeaker which sounds when the receiver detects the microwaves emitted by the transmitter. Let's start with the reflection. Set up the apparatus as shown. Move the receiver and see if the loudspeaker sounds. To study refraction, replace the receiver with a point detector. Point the transmitter at the middle of a convex paraffin wax lens. The tips of the point detector should be at the same level as the middle of the lens. Move the detector away from the lens along a straight line. How does the loudness of the sound produced by the loudspeaker change? Now we will study diffraction. Form a slit of about 3 centimeters wide with 2 metal plates. Move the receiver to different positions. Does the loudspeaker sound when the receiver is in the shadow region of the metal plates? Lastly, form a double slit with 3 metal plates to study interference. Move the receiver to different positions. How does the loudness of the sound produced by the loudspeaker change?